Algramo is trying to solve the plastic crisis because we are addicted to single-use plastic packaging. Algramo is a Chilean startup that aims to eliminate the needs for single-use packaging, moving the consumer to reuse and refill. Sustainability cannot be more expensive. People cannot decide between their planet or their pocket at the end of the month. We have dispenser machines, which we have the product in bulk, and the consumer purchase in reusable containers. They save money because they don't have to pay for an extra packaging, but also they save plastic. Each packaging has a chip, which offers us the traceability for quality, also the incentive for the consumer on savings to return the packaging. And also we tell them how much plastic they're saving. And we show them, okay, there's a lot of people doing small efforts to make a difference. That's also part of Algramo, to inspire others to join this movement. Algramo is aiming to have a global solution, which means to collaborate with others. We are trying to share what we know, the technology, the experience, to, with others, reach more people. Algramo is operating with 3,000 mom-pop stores in Santiago. We're working with Unilever, with Walmart. Also, we are operating in the UK with Lidl, and we had some pilot in Indonesia and the US. Next year will be Mexico. If you really want to change the world in terms of packaging, you must convince the biggest player, and we are running out of time, so you should do it now. That's the purpose of Algramo, to inspire others, but also to show the brands that they could do something different, more than recycling. To move from recycling to upstream solutions like reuse. Today we are focusing on systemic change, so how to change the rule of the system to encourage people to reuse packaging before it's too late. Let's reimagine global business. Let's beat plastic pollution.